This is Birdie. And I'm going to put her in the flowers.
What kind of bird is this, Ma?
I think it's a hummingbird or something.
Be careful, gentle.
Okay.
Gentle.
Bobby? There you go, Birdie. Oh, you like it. Hey, look. It looks like he likes it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he fell. How about I put you in the side with more flowers, okay? Here. It looks like Honey is drinking a lot. Hey, Birdie, have some flowers. Oh, it looks like he's stuck, Mommy. Hey, look, he's climbing his way out. Oh no, he's stuck. Should I pick him up?
She knows how to do that. This is her world, Ma.
All right.
Birdie.
Hey, how about I give you a flower?
You can put him on the top.
What? Birdie. Oh, there you go. There you go, Birdie. Oh no, a big spider. There's a big spider over there, Bobby.